All women are beautiful, and all women are worthy of getting married to. But in today's video, I am going to give you the 6 reasons why men marries ugly women. 6 reasons why men prefer to marry ugly women to beautiful women. So before we continue, welcome to my channel. Hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, dating advice for women, relationship advice for women, online dating. So if you have anything to know about, put it down in the comment section below. I will reply to tell you what you want. So before I continue, what are the reasons why men prefer to marry ugly women to beautiful women? Number 1 is that ugly women are very humble. They are humble. Whatever a man tells them, they will stick to it and they will do it, thinking that it will be hard for them to get another man. So once they catch up under the first man, they hold him tight. They know that they don't have attention. They know that they don't have people that admires them so much. Anyone they see, once they realize that the man is good, they will take hold of that man without hesitation. But beautiful women will say, if you leave me, another person will take me up. If you leave me, I am beautiful out there, people will admire me. But in the case of ugly people, they don't think like this. Once they hook up with one man, they stick to that one man and obey him, respect him, and stick with him. That is the major reason why men think of getting married to ugly women than beautiful women. Number 2 reason is that ugly women don't have attention. They don't have attractions. You know, there are men out there that always go for beautiful women in terms of flirting, dating. Beautiful women draws attention because of their beauty, maybe her figure, the shape of her face, her everything. Men are turned on with what they see, and once they see beautiful women out there, they will go straight to it. But ugly women don't have attention. They are always on their own. They don't disturb people, and people don't disturb them so much. That is another reason why men consider ugly women to, or prefer ugly women to beautiful women. Number 3 reason why men marries ugly women, because ugly women are very sympathetic and they have emotional limitations, because once you hurt them, it will pain them, because they think that they can never get somebody as easy as possible due to lack of attention, and they are not much attractive. But beautiful women, they don't care. If you don't love them, people that loves them are many. People that wants to be with them are many. They are presentable. They are admirable. But ugly women, they are not much admirable, but they are good in their character. They are good in some things they do. Not they are good in everything. If you mingle with ugly women, you will know that they are a wife material. No one disturbs them. They don't disturb anybody. Besides, they are very humble. So this is another quality why, or the another reason why men prefers to marry ugly women to beautiful women. Number 4 reason is that ugly women respects a lot. They respect their man a lot. And you know, if you want to get a man, if you want to catch his whole heart, respect him to the core. That man will start behaving like a child to you. I'm not giving you the secret of men. Respect a man, and that man will treat you like a queen. If you watch the family where ugly women is, that family is almost successful, always successful, because ugly women respect their man. Ugly women respect their men. Ugly woman respects her man. So ugly women respect her man so much. Respect your man. Once you respect a man will respect you. Once you respect a man will love you. Once you respect a man, he will do anything possible to make sure that you are very happy. But beautiful women, they don't even think of doing all this. Though there are many beautiful women that respect, but majority of respect comes from ugly women. Why is it coming from ugly women? Because ugly women knows that they don't have much attention. So anyone that comes around, they take hold of it. So this is another reason why men prefer to marry ugly women to beautiful women. Number 5 reason why men likes to marry ugly women than beautiful women is because ugly women are selfless in everything they are doing. They are not self-centered, but they are selfless. They do everything with their whole hearts. They arrange the family. In fact, they go extra miles to make sure that their family is in order. They go extra miles to make sure that their family is growing. They have time for the family affairs. They have time for their husband, their children, their everything concerning the family. They have time for it because they don't have much attention. They don't have much engagement. But beautiful women don't have time for all this. I am not saying that most of the beautiful women don't have time. Most of the beautiful women are good, extra good, even good more than ugly women. But I am giving you the reason and the mindset why men consider to marry ugly people when they want to get married. But in flirting, they will go for somebody who is presentable, who is beautiful, so that the friends will say you are the best, or friends will hail him. Ugly people are very selfless. They are very humble. And this is another reason why men consider to marry ugly people. The number 6th and last reason why men consider to marry ugly people is because they are powerful and prayerful. They are powerful and prayerful. They pray for the family growth. They pray for her children. She prays for her children. She prays for her husband's prosperity. She prays for her husband to prosper in everything they do. But beautiful women don't have time. Since he will be on social media, posting her beautiful pictures, posting her beautiful gesture, beautiful face. But ugly women don't have time for all this. And that time she will use for social media. She will use it for tangible and reasonable things. She will pray and she will fast to make sure that their family is growing. So all these reasons are what men consider before they get married, and that is why men consider ugly women than beautiful women in terms of marriage. So if you like this video and you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, turn on the notification bell to be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. If you have question or you want anything to comment, put it down on the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. I am not perfect. No one is perfect. Only the creator of the whole universe is perfect. So I am not saying this to prove that I'm perfect, but I am giving you what men considers before getting married. And that is why most men go for ugly women, for them to be relaxed in their marriage. So thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video.